What's up, people? It's your favorite boy once again, TOP and NTV, writing cakes and boxes. I'm back again. If you was voted, then they wanted me to unbox the Travis Fragment Jordan 1 lows, which I will be doing today. But before we get to that, don't forget to like and subscribe down below and show some love. So let's get right to it. Firstly, I'll be showing you a couple other hits before we get to the fragment. So I'll be starting off with the very first bad boy we have over here. It's called Dunk, Nike Dunk Low. This is the Undefeated 5 on 8 Efforts versus Dunk. This is a dope collaboration with a lot of mixed materials. This is the suede, the cotton, the leather, the animal skin print, the midsole in cream, and the lower sole. So this is a must-have for everyone who's looking to go into the Dunk collection. I can't wait to rock this and share some videos with you guys on my IG page. This is the other pair, all verified and authenticated. You can eat your boy up also for some plugs, So this is the first show up for the day. This is called the Nike Dunk Low Undefeated 5 Air Force versus Dunk. And that it is. Next up, we have another sweet shoe. We have the Nike Dunk Special Project. This is the Undefeated series also, but this is in black. As you can see, it has the Undefeated logo here, the gummy soles, the 4. This is real 4, like this is real animal 4. It's written inside it. This 4 is type Diet Adult Oven 4 from Brazil. So don't play with the boy. This is a wonderful, simple looking shoe but with good detailing. This can be another everyday shoe because it's all black. Hope you guys like this also. Also, right now, I'll be showing you guys something more unique. The SB also, I'm an SB guy now, Just talking of the SBs. This is called the SB Dunk Low, what the called, period. This shoe has got like a mad story behind it because it's got like every design this shoe designer has ever done before this project he put into this shoe. As you can see, the soles are different, the designs on each leg are different, the colorway is crazy, soles right here, and we have this also right here, authenticated of course, don't play with the boy. This is called the period. It's got like every single design this nigga ever did before this, he put into collaboration and put it on this 2 bad boys here. So I think you guys should come to this. This is a must have for everybody. If you don't have this, you're sleeping. Thank you. Also, something more retro like. This is one of the OGs in the game. Even OG, I think, before people like Jordan 4s. So this is a Jordan 4 retro lightning. You will see. This is the Jordan 4 retro lightning. This is, come on, there's nothing so much to say about it. You see it yourself. Colorway and check. Cop this. You all don't have a choice. Cop this. So yeah, don't forget once again to like and subscribe down below before I get to the final show which you all voted to see. And now to the main event of the day. Thanks to customs, I should have gotten this earlier, but this is Africa, you know how we do now. We got issues, customs, clearance, and all that stuff to do. It takes forever. Now, to the baby boy of the day, the one you all voted me to buy and share with you guys. So this is it. This is the Travis Scott Fragment collaboration, Jordan 1 lows. This is the pack, as you all can see. This is the pack. Are you ready? Okay. Yes, this Travis, Cactus, Fragment, Nike, Fragment, Cactus, Airjordan. Got it all pasted all over it. You guys ready? Okay. Here we go. Travis Fragment collaboration for the Jordan 1 lows. As you can see, well detailed, the Jordan logo, the Fragment logo behind here. It's got cactus, if you look closely. It's got the serial number thingy. It's got the Cactus Jack logo right here. The advanced swoosh, as you know, for Travis. And the auto pair comes with 3 extra laces: the blue, the black, the pink, and the cream on it, of course. It's also got the Cactus Jack right here. The Fragment logo also. Okay, it's also got the Cactus Jack logo down there. It's got the cactus inline here, as you could, if you look closely. It's Fragment design. Yeah. The sizes inside. And also the reverse swoosh. So yeah, you guys have it. This is the Nike Travis 1 Fragment Travis collaboration. I think you all should have it. I'll try to get my hands on the eyes. You know, the prizes are going out. So support your boy, like, subscribe, watch, and let's get this done. So once again, this is your favorite boy, TOB at NTV, where we kick some boxes. Hope you all enjoyed the game today and catch you all next time.